So here we're given that a reading list for a humanities course consists of 10 books, of which 4 are biographies, and the rest are novels, which means 6 are novels. And each student is required to read a selection of 4 books. So that's the total number of books that the student has to read. And it has to include 2 or more biographies, which means the scenarios that are possible for these 4 books is he could have 2 biography, I'm going to just call B, and 2 novels, or 3 biographies, 1 novel, or they could all be 4 biographies. So these are the 3 possible scenarios. And the question is asking how many selections of 4 books satisfy the requirements. So I'll start with the 4 biographies. So all 4 have to be biographies. And since there are only 4 biographies, that can only be done in one way. So that's just one. And then I have to look at the case of 3 biographies and 1 novel. The 1 novel can be, I can choose any of these 6. And then the number of ways I can select 3 biographies. And again, this is a combination problem, and the order in which you select the biographies doesn't matter. So this is really 4C3, which is equivalent to 4 times 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 times 1, or in the factorial notation, this is 4 minus 3 factorial over 3 factorial, which turns out to be the same when you simplify that. And this would be equal to 4. So there are 4 ways I can select sets of 3 biographies from here. And the novels were in 6 ways. So the total number of ways I can select 3 biographies and 1 novel would be 4 times 6, which is 24. And then I have to do for the case 2 biographies and 2 novels. So 2 novels I'm selecting from 6. That's same as 6 times 5 over 2 times 1, which is 15. And the biographies would be 4 times 3 over 2 times 1, which is 6. Total number of ways I can do this is, again, I'm going to multiply those 2. That's 90. So the total different selections that are possible is the sum of 90 plus 24 plus 1. That's 25. 90 plus 25 is 115, which is answer choice B.